In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Instagram. We're going to start from a simple Google search and navigate straight to Instagram's official help center where you can find the customer service resources you need. This approach is quick, reliable, and helps you avoid unofficial pages. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Instagram. On the results page, look for the official Instagram website. You'll recognize it by the Instagram.com domain. This ensures you're going to the real site and not a look-alike. Click the official result to open Instagram's homepage. Once you're on Instagram's site, locate the help link. Depending on your device, you may find it in the footer, at the bottom of the page, or within a menu. The wording may simply be help, and it leads to Instagram's help center. Click that link to proceed. If you don't see it right away, scroll slowly and keep an eye out for links labeled Help, Terms, or Privacy. Help is typically grouped near those. You'll land on help.instagram.com, which is Instagram's dedicated help center. This is where Instagram publishes official guides, troubleshooting steps, and policy information. At the top of the page, there's a prominent search bar. Click into that search field and type customer service. This phrase pulls up the resources that explain how Instagram handles support, the types of issues they cover, and where to find solutions. After typing your search, review the results and select the one labeled Customer Service. Clicking this result opens Instagram's official information related to customer service, including articles that guide you through common account, login, security, and content issues. Take a moment to read the page carefully. Many answers link to related help articles, and those often resolve problems without needing direct contact. A few quick tips while you're here. Always make sure the address bar shows help. Instagram.com before entering any personal information. This confirms you're on the legitimate help center. If you see links to forms or contact options, follow the instructions exactly as described on the page. Never share passwords or security codes with anyone and avoid third-party sites promising faster support. That's it. You searched for Instagram on Google, opened the official site, clicked Help, typed Customer Service in the Help Center, and selected the customer service result. With this path, you'll consistently reach Instagram's official guidance safely and efficiently.